lose 10 pounds. I haven't exercised in forever.
Why am I so lazy?
No wonder I have no
terrible
kids are
finish
that
week.
What is wrong with me?
Will I ever be enough?
It's time to give your brain a new script. It's time you took your happiness into your own hands, literally, with an amazing new tool, Worthy, a radical self-love journal. Because you are worthy enough to wear what you want, act how you please, look how you do, and embrace it all. You are worthy, and now with a little guidance, nothing can stop you. This is the impact of social media. This is the direct impact of society's influences on your brain. This is the impact. You, afraid to show up as your authentic self. Low self-esteem. A lack of self-confidence. Your inner critic on steroids. Denying yourself things that you really love. Starving yourself to meet some unrealistic societal expectation. It's time to love yourself as you are today, while moving towards who you want to become in a healthy, realistic way. A way inspired by your dreams, not what society tells you should be. This tool will help you love yourself in a world that thrives on your unhappiness. Inside the pages of this beautiful journal, you'll find the guidance you need to help you better understand yourself and your own unique needs, overcome both internal and external obstacles to loving yourself, and create your own unique plan for deep and lasting self-love.
It was on the recommendation of my therapist that I started using the journal. It was a few years ago, and I had really reached a point in my therapy journey where I needed something that was going to help me just practically every day. We had kind of shifted more into a coaching relationship. And so when she presented me with a journal, honestly, it felt kind of foreign. I had not really journaled much throughout my life, yet when I opened it up, I loved the structure. One of the things that's helped me with most is rewriting my inner narrative to be kinder, gentler, and more affirming.
Prompts within inside the journal have allowed me to make self-care choices that has been foreign to me. And so within looking at these and meditating on these prompts within inside the journal, it's allowed me to shift my life and make decisions that have been huge, that has taken my life in a different direction.
I was introduced to the JMB Living Journals through a friend. Kim gave myself, my teenage daughter, copies to start with, and I was really excited because I always wanted a journal but didn't know where to start. So these journals give you prompts and allows you to have a starting place, and you can go with it from there. It's been really magical to watch my daughter use these journals and heal from some of her trauma through journaling and yoga practice. So we're very thankful for the JMB Living Journals.
JMB Living has been making journals for years that have changed thousands of lives, and now we're back with a journal unlike any other that guides you to live a life with more confidence, more happiness, and more satisfaction without changing who you are. This journal is full of psychology-backed methods to improve mental health. It has features from wellness experts and self-love coaches, and guided prompts and exercises curated to help you work through obstacles to self-love. It will help you embrace everything that makes you unique and worth loving just as you are now. You deserve a life of love, a life where you feel good in your body. You feel good about how you express yourself. You feel good at the end of the day, that you did enough and you are enough, even as you change and grow. It's time to begin your journey to a life with more confidence, more happiness, and greater overall satisfaction.
I'm Julie, the founder of JMB Living, and I'm here to urge you to take your self-love into your own hands. We believe that self-love should be accessible to everyone, which is why we decided to release our new journal on Kickstarter. Help us make this happen by making your pledge now.